Daddy, where's the button?
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. I want to thank you for tuning in to another episode of my channel. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day 2021, you guys. We made it. We blew past 2020. We all made it through 2020, and today is a day to celebrate. You guys, today when I woke up to 1,500 subscribers. Starting 2021 off with 1,500 subscribers. Way back at the beginning of 2020, I set a goal to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And look at where we are, you guys. 1,500 of you guys love to watch the content. 1,500 of you guys love what you see. You like the trucks, you like the cars, you like everything about it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I could not have done it without you. You guys know I love every single one of you. Over the past 6 months or so, I cannot give enough gratitude to you guys for helping me grow. I started this channel about 10 years ago. I would upload sporadically here and there, and I never thought I would be able to reach 185 subscribers. I have officially hit 300 subscribers, so I wanted to say thank you for that. Next goal is 1,000. I need 1,000 subscribers. 325 subscribers as of this morning. I want to thank you guys for the almost 400 subscribers that I have to date. It seems like every time I do an upload, I am thanking you guys for another 100 more subscribers. Thanks to you guys, thanks to 775 subscribers. Also today, you guys, today is the day that we have officially reached 1,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are there. We have officially made it. 2020 was a tough year for a lot of us, but you set your goals, you crush them, you go after them. No matter what gets in your way, you conquer them all. Be tenacious, do not give up on any one of your goals. So today I wanted to give you guys kind of a life update of what's been going on the last 2 weeks or so. I have not done an upload in the last couple of weeks, and here is why. We moved in, it was Christmas, and there was just a lot going on. I wanted to give you guys an update of the renovation that we had did to the house before we moved in. I talked a little bit about it in an episode previous, and we have moved in. As you can see, we have the couch in, we have some boxes and stuff over here, but for the most part, we have moved in. The renovation has come together nicely. So here's what we have done thus far. We painted the walls gray. All the walls in the entire house are this gray color. We thought that it really matched the furniture that we had already had, and it matched the hardwood floors that we had here. It's kind of a grayish color. The carpet, everything is tied in. We also had the banister painted. This was kind of like an oak brown color, but we had it painted dark gray here, and then the spindles white. So we thought that really tied in good. It goes all the way up and then upstairs as well. Right when you walk into the foyer, you can see that up there. So we thought that looked good. We had all of the cabinets. These were also a brown color. We had all the cabinets painted white. Looks really good. Still left to do, we have to do the backsplash. We had a contractor come out and give us an estimate on that. We want to do some tile from here to here, and then also the countertops. We thought possibly the countertops would kind of match, and then we would just have to do the backsplash, but after getting them painted all white, it looks like maybe we will do the countertops as well. So that's a coming renovation. And then another thing that we want to do is the fireplace. It doesn't match from before. Everything was, when we first moved into this house, all the tile work was kind of this color. It was kind of like brownish colors. We have slowly but surely converted over to grays and dark grays, but I'll show you guys real quick too. This is the office here, but we also had the cabinets painted white in here. All of the cabinets in the entire house have been painted this white color. Bathrooms, everything. For future plans, we want to redo all the bathroom countertops, but as you can see here, white, everything looks really good. Countertops need to be redone, of course, but eventually that will come. All right, you guys, let's head out to the garage to get to the meat of this upload, what you guys wanted to see. I am going to install the Lasfit high beams onto the F-150. Coming into the garage, you guys, you can see we do have some boxes left to unpack, so we don't have the third car bay available, but coming out to this view, the Audi R8, the Lexus is amazing. The truck does fit in the garage. I'm gonna pull the truck into the garage to do the install of the Lasfit high beams. So I wanted you guys to see how close it was to the top of the garage when I pulled the truck in here. It is really tight squeeze. The camera, I got the GoPro camera sitting up top of the truck, and it's really close. I have a feeling it's gonna hit that GoPro and knock it down. Looks like it slid in really nicely, but you could see how close that was. All right, so I wanted to give you guys a little demonstration of how the stock high beams look with the Lasfit LED. As you can see, the color is nice on there, nice and white for both the headlight and the fog light. When I flash the lights, which I'm gonna do right now, when I flash the high beams, you will see that it changes to that stock halogen color. So let's set down the camera here so you guys can get a look at what it looks like here. All right, so as you can see, when I flash the high beams, those high halogens come on and you can see that yellow color, and it just doesn't match. It's something that I really wanted to have consistent across all three, so when I do flash my high beams, you do get that white LED color on there. I did want to do a real quick unboxing of these so you can see how quality and well packaged these are. You get a manual on how to install. Here is that dust cap, the OEM plug that plugs into your truck, and then the actual housing for the headlights. Has a full-on fan packed in this nice foam here. You have a little plug here that plugs into the fan housing, and then that operates the fan, and then this plug goes into the OEM outlet of your truck. All right, so I have everything I need for the install here with the ratchet set and the LED headlights here. Basically, you have to remove this, just 4 bolts that needs to come out of here. This pulls open, and then it allows you access to the housing right here from behind. So again, I've already done a full-on install. This is not a how-to video, so I'm gonna just pop these off, not bore you guys with the basics on how to remove these bolts here. All right, so what I did here was I got the stock one removed, and I wanted to do a test fitting here and flip it on just to make sure that the high beam does come on. Alright, yes indeed it comes on, so we are good to go. I can go ahead and install the bulb back into the housing and move on to the other side. Alright, let's check it out. I have this one installed here, that one's still the stock halogen. Let's start it up and see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. This side's complete with the high beams. And then this side still has that stock halogen in there. Super bright. Totally happy with how this turned out. Look at how bright that is right there. Wow. Turned out amazing. There's a look from the complete front end, all Lasfit LED over here, still the stock halogen over here. Big difference on that one. All right, I'm gonna flip over to the other side, do the installation on that side, and give you guys a one look as to what it looks like completely done. All right, you guys, let's start her up and get a first look on the LED headlights. All right, let's flip the high beams on here. Bam. Let's go see what we got. Looks like it's throwing the light pretty good over here. Check it out. Bam, there it is. All headlights, high beams, and fog lights have now been converted to the Lasfit LEDs. It looks so good, you guys. Highly recommend the Lasfit product. No complaints. I've ran the headlights and the fog lights now for about 6 months. Completely satisfied with how they turn out and how they throw the light, especially on the freeway. You can just see the reflectors bouncing the light back at you. Super bright. Looks so good. All right, you guys, that's it for this episode of Hot Wheels Dad. If you liked what you see, please give me a subscribe. It really does help my channel out. It's a free way you can help me out. 1,500 subscribers currently. Can't wait to see where this channel goes in 2021. I'm so excited. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.